Hello, my friends. This is Sheree. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my craft room. I'm here today to participate in another day of the Dollar Tree Junk Journal challenge by Jessica at Paper Terrace. And I had a few more ideas, like continuing from yesterday. So I wanted to share those with you. Yesterday, I added a couple paper clips, and I'm, really trying to I used a couple of papers that weren't from Dollar Tree in here, scrapbook papers, but everything else is from Dollar Tree. Pretty much, if I don't use some, if it's not from Dollar Tree, I'm trying to tell you. But anyway, I added a couple paper clips yesterday, so I pulled out a couple of my Dollar Tree ribbons here. Both of these, you can see, if you know Dollar Tree items, you recognize these. And here is this one. It's a sheer pink ribbon, and then here is this one, and I'm sure you recognize these are ribbons too. But anyway, I thought I think I added 2 paper clips yesterday. So a lot of times I'll just, you don't, I think it's really pretty just to do these simple little ribbons on your paper clips a lot of times, and that's what I do because I like how they show at the top of the journal when you close it and you have all these little ribbons peeking out. I think it's really fun and pretty. So, and it adds a lot to your journal. So that's what I'm doing. This one I made a little bit long, but just do the little loop, slip knot thing, whatever, on the top. And there you have a pretty paper clip that will show on the outside of your journal. And I have one more. Let's see if I can find it here. Right here. Let's do the other ribbon on that one. I think I have more Dollar Tree ribbons, but I just, I wanted the thinner ones to be able to easily wrap them around the paper clip instead of I have a lot of the little crochet lace, the little crochet lace ribbon that you get, or trim that you get at Dollar Tree. I have some of those, but they're a little thicker, and you can use those, but I also wanted more colorful for this journal. But if I were doing a vintagey journal, like a more vintagey, like neutral journal, I would have, and I still might pull out some of those, but since I have these, I pulled these out. And there's the second one. And so we'll put that on. That's one thing I wanted to do today. Just go ahead and finish off those paper clips. Usually I try to place them so that they're not in the same spot. So let's put this one on this side. And then when you close the journal, you have your little, and I'm sure I'll put some more in here before this is all said and done, but then you have your little ribbon sticking out of the top, and I think that's fun and pretty. So the other thing I wanted to do, and I realized, I can't believe I didn't put this on my list, but I recently, you can pick up, of course, packs of index cards at Dollar Tree, the white ones, the colored ones, especially if they don't have them all year, like maybe the colored ones, or certain ones, like I know I've gotten different at back to school time. They have more and maybe something different in index cards, and a lot of different things that they don't carry all year. So I thought I would just show you a simple thing that I like to do, and I showed you the other day. Let's do a few of them because I love them, and I'll probably put them all in here. But it's just fun. They're fun like this. You can stick them like this, just plain, and that will give the person, or get yourself, if you're making this journal for yourself, to have a little piece of an index card to play around with, to decorate, to write on, to glue down somewhere, to cut up, whatever they want to do. But one of my favorite things is to go ahead, and these will make some very, small. Let me measure where I'm cutting here. Let me see. I think that's about the middle. So, well, no, I think it's a little bit more over. Nope, that's not it. Might not be right in the middle, but let's just cut it. And so we have 2 small journaling cards now, little pretty cute yellow ones. But one thing I like to do when I do cut them up like that is to round the corners And then you can put them on in again, just like this, for later use as a place to write, or a little, you need a little journaling card somewhere. You can, customize the size if you need it smaller or bigger too. And you can decorate it. So I have some of the Dollar Tree stickers that I showed you yesterday. And we didn't open this one yesterday. I showed it to you, but we didn't use it. Did we? I don't think so. Yeah, I said I had 2 dragonflies in here that I want to put somewhere in this journal since it's a dragonfly journal. How does this open? Let's see. Here it is. But let's see if we can decorate some of these index cards today. This is going to be a quick video because I don't have, again, I'm doing it. I'm just going to pull one off here and decorate a simple little decoration on here. And this will be so cute. And there you have a cute little journaling card decorated. And you can do more to it. But, you got the lines here to write on, and in the back is plain on these. So let's do this one. Let's put a little, here's a little butterfly here. Let's use that. And I'm thrilled to use some of my, stickers that have been sitting around for a while. Look how adorable that is. It's so cute. And then let's see, I have the blue one and this little mint blue green color here. And so let's cut those. And I think I have the perfect spot. I think this is going to fit in our little paper bag. If you watched yesterday, we put the little paper bag bottom, hidden journaling, where you can hide a little journaling piece or something that you might want to store away in there, private something or other. So let's do all of these today. So fun. And another thing you can do, another thing that I like to do is I like to do something unexpected. Maybe it's expected now in the journaling world because we've done, in the journal making world, ephemera, paper crafting world, but because we've done so much, and there's so many videos out there, you feel like you've seen it all, right? But it's still to the general public, it's unexpected. And I'll tell you what it is in just a second. Let me finish cutting these. And that is, there we go, to take a piece of fabric and sew it onto maybe a journaling card. So this little, this is cut off from my fabric. I have a bigger piece that I can use on a journal, but this is kind of up for grabs, and especially this piece right here. So let's cut this off real quick and just kind of even this up. About right here. Let's see. Yeah, about right. Let me see. I'm trying to cut it even with this side so I can have it cut in a good spot here. So let's cut it right here. Try to get a wrinkle in there. As far as, I don't want to cut through a wrinkle. There we go. That looks good. So now we have this. And let's cut a piece. And so, I can sew a little ruffle on here on a card, or I can sew a tab. I can use some of this for tabs in the journal. I'm going to try to cut it. This has a little wave in it. I don't want to get it on, I'm trying to cut it on, straight while it's flat, not wavy. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's cut this little piece off. All right, and then, so this piece, I might go ahead and sew a little ruffle on the top of one, like that. Now I'll sew it, and I'll show it to you when I'm done. And then let me just get another piece and make some tabs on these other pieces. So let's see. I'm trying to cut off, if I have any half butterflies or whatever, or dragonflies, right here. I'm trying to kind of cut that off and use that for this little project. So let's cut like this. We'll have 3 tabs. Okay, so I'm going to go sew these on and then I'll show you, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I sewed those little pieces on. Here's how they turned out. Here's a little kind of tab at the top of this one. So cute. I used a yellow thread with a zigzag stitch. I do like using the zigzag stitch or some kind of stitch besides a straight stitch on things like this, just to make it more interesting and fun. There's a little ruffle here, and the ruffles don't have to be perfect. I wasn't trying to get this perfect, and it's not perfectly even like the little, ripples or whatever, but just, did it while I was putting it through the sewing machine, and made sure it sewed them down. So super cute. These two I made as little tabs on the side, and so you can stick it into like a little pull tab and stick it into a side tuck. So this one's on this side, just a flat piece like that. And then this one I wrapped around like a little tab on the other side, so it can go this way, a little pull tab. This might be my favorite side piece right here because I wrapped it around. I think that's adorable. So let's just see. This piece right here was the smallest. Is it smaller than that? Yeah, it's a little, just a slight sliver smaller than that smallest blue one there. But I was going to put it in, since it doesn't have any tabs or anything on it to stick out and get in the way, I was going to put it in our little paper bag piece in case you didn't see that yesterday. You can go one video back and see that. But let me find it here real quick. Show you what I'm talking about. This piece right here. I don't know if I did it after the video or whatever, but I did put a little receipt in there. And then here's the little paper bag piece. It opens up all the way like that, and I was going to put this in here as a little journaling piece, and then and you can fit more in there. I'm just showing you what my plan was for that. So I think that's it for today. It's a quick one, I know, but I just wanted to do something for the moment before I went to work, have a little crafty fun. So I hope you enjoyed those ideas for today, and I have another idea for tomorrow already, but I just don't have time to do it today. So stay tuned for that. It's another Dollar Tree Junk Journal ephemera idea. So stay tuned and come back tomorrow, and I'll see you then. Have a great day.